So my battery died, so I decided to go in the house, get the GoPro, and I'm going to try this again. So let's see. Welcome to Sussex on a beautiful snowy day. Snow Armageddon, I'm calling it. So my snowblower is somewhere over there. It's about 6 feet, 20 feet deep, and I don't know how I'm going to get it out of there. We'll figure that out in a day or so, but snow drift on the car, I think it's more aerodynamic this way. So let's try to, a minute ago I just trucked out here. Let's see how far I can get. I'll show you how deep it is here. Me walking through the snowbank. That's a little, you know, just a little bit of white gold here. So here I am in the middle of Albert and St. George Street, looking both ways. There's no cars, and this is the reason why we don't drive on a snowstorm day. You can see how much snow. People looking at me thinking, wow, this is a fine New Brunswick day. I'm gonna just enjoy it. The snowdrift back there is about 20 feet. So let's see here. They've been plowing the main streets, but they have not been plowing the side streets. As you can see, maybe not, that they just cannot keep up with it. Give a good shout out to town of Sussex. They're doing their best. Look at the visibility. About 5 feet. Wow. So I'm going to return back to the nice warm house. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Wow. So earlier I was out twice now and had to unshovel my heat pump as the snow has swallowed it and it doesn't produce any heat. So if you got a heat pump out there, you might want to shovel it out. I cannot believe the amount of snow here in Sussex.